குட்டீஸ், வெல்கம் டு பிரியாஸ் கிட்ஸ் டைரி. இந்த வீடியோ இப்பதான் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பாக்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பக்கத்துல இருக்க ஆல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Hi cuties, welcome to our channel. Today we draw three-dimensional shapes. First I draw the cube. Next I am drawing pyramid. Come on cuties, come and draw with me. Let's draw the cylinder. Cone. Now I am drawing cuboid. Next we draw triangular prism. Hey, we draw the 3D shapes. Come on, let's paint together. Sky blue. I like to paint the shapes. Come on cuties, come and paint with me. Pink.
Chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the
Yellow.
goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Green. Purple.
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Fly
Wow, we draw the 3D shape. Let's name the shapes. Cube, pyramid, cylinder, cone, cuboid, triangular prism. Hey, we draw the 3D shapes. We will see you on next video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.